Dil Dil Pakistan, Jan Pakistan, Dil Dil. Oh, I do. Dekho barish ho rahi hai. It's raining. It's raining.
I mean, I'm ordered a couple of burgers.
Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan. Mehu Erin Holland, and bahut shukriya for joining us at the Pitchside studio.
Wow.
I've learned all the bad words because
you
he
can't
doesn't
say
know all the bad words.
say,
But
don't
I'm not going to say those though.
later on. Yeah.
I love just dropping in little bits and pieces whenever I can, whether it's bahut sardi hai, like in this studio right now because the AC is so cold, or dekho barish ho rahi hai, and
Remember I taught you about when you were hungry as well. Remember the bhook lagi hai?
Book lagi hai, yeah. Book
I
lagi
taught
hai.
her that one.
Oh, Danny Morrison, pagal, pagal. Musty makava. Naughty.
Dominic Cord taught you that one.
Dominic Hogg.
That's Pashto.
And you remember this? Nothing good in life is jota, everything good is butter. See, bigger is better.
Well, I also know
Butter
that
is
you
better.
can sing. You can sing
Butter is
really
better.
well. We know how good you can sing. So can you sing us a few words in Urdu?
Oh, like what?
Maybe like a Dil Dil Pakistan.
Okay. Dil Dil Pakistan, Jan Pakistan, Dil Dil. Oh, I do. Dekho barish ho rahi hai. It's raining. It's raining.
Beautiful.
I need to learn some more songs.
Wow. Wow.
My party tricks.
Thank
was
you.
interesting.
I mean, there's a couple of facts about Erin Holland that the many Pakistan doesn't know.
Oh, okay.
That she eats around about 6 burgers at a time in one
Do
sitting.
not.
I mean, I'm ordered a couple of
bakwas.
burgers. She eats like it's anything. Roha, back me up on this one.
I do eat.
Yeah, actually.
I mean, asking somebody that who eats also a lot, which is Roha too.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Sana, you're the witness, right?
That's why she's only taught her bhook lag rahi
What are the relevant words?
Yeah, the most important thing she's taught is bhook lag rahi hai.
Yeah. Then it's
But where does it go? I mean, you eat so much. I mean, you spend a lot of time on the streets,
I go to the gym.
exploring food.
Oh, on the streets.
On the
Exploring
street
streets.
food.
Yeah,
And,
this
you've
trip
been-
I've actually seen you becoming
Yeah.
a little bit of a food influencer.
Yeah.
Nalli Biryani in
What is it?
Karachi.
Yeah.
She
went for Nalli Biryani in
like
Karachi.
Anything. I do train like anything. I train every day. I think particularly when you're in these really long hours in the studio, to actually get up, get your body moving. We all know that
She is
clarity
very
of mind
disciplined.
Yeah.
I've
comes
worked with her. I've worked with her.
In the last show we did, you actually tried Gol Gappe, right? So
Yeah,
you made
Gol
this
Gappe.
video of like,
Yeah.
that was interesting. That was
yummy.
interesting.
That was really